Do you have an internet connection and a mouse? No, you don't even need a mouse. I don't have a mouse. And you won't even need a keyboard. And you also won't need to know very good English. So I'm making this video to show you how you can get paid to watch ads. Yes, this is a niche. There's an exact process you gotta follow to actually apply. It's free. But the first thing you gotta do is smash the like button. Literally destroy it. Like make it from gray or from white to blue right now. I'm waiting. I can see that you didn't do it yet. Okay, good. Now we can continue. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. So make sure you click the subscribe button if you are new, because me and my team of 3 people, we try to produce from 1 to 3 videos every single day for you, even on Sundays, just to cover as many topics as you can and all the questions we get and want to make a video on. And you know what? I can even shout you out in one of the next videos. So all you gotta do is comment down below your Instagram account, YouTube account, or TikTok account. I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar, and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, so the way you make money from ads is actually via ad wallet. And as you can see here, it says brands want your attention. Make them buy it. Get rewarded for watching videos from brands that's super easy. You care about. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and it's worth up to $3 plus unlock exclusive offers. There's a video on how it works, but if you go down below, it says you gotta watch a video. There's a bunch of ways to earn. You get rewarded. You earn a minimum of 50 cents. So the minimum you can make is 10 cents. That's really nice. Make more money. Earn an additional $1 for every friend you refer. So I'll probably have a link for them in the description down below if you want to stay safe and use the right link. It's also an affiliate link, full disclosure here, so you can check it down below. And it says the cash out is just 10 bucks. Some websites have a cash out of 20 or 30 bucks just to prevent you from making any actual money. And it says here they've paid out over 1 million in the last 12 months, which is like over 80K per month, which is like 2.6K a day or something. It's easy to get paid. You can get a transfer to bank, which is what I would prefer. E-cards, donation. People just like you love, and there's some YouTube videos about it. Oh, hopefully they feature mine as well. What's the cash? They're reasonable. I really like that. So here is how you can get paid to watch ads. You just register, then they give you ads and you get paid for your attention and feedback. If this video helped you out, again, make sure you give it a like and subscribe, because we are a team of 3 people trying to produce the best and the highest quality content for you, because that's what you deserve. Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away, and that this is no financial or medical advice. You gotta do your own due diligence. And also, results can vary. Some people can earn on the lower end, some people can earn on the higher ends. And by the end of this video, you gotta check one of these videos out. This one or this one. Bye.